What up, y'all? We back with another one. Got this in the mail today. Grab this for y'all. Fresh pair of blue labels. Yes, sir. 6x8's for those who was wondering. But yeah, man, we in this thing. So I'm about to take these doors off. I'm about to take this head unit out and see what's going on around here. I'll catch y'all in a second. Alright, y'all, we got the door off. As y'all can see, these is the factory ones from the last time it had messed up. Now I will be taking this, I guess you want to call it like a housing unit, or I can't think of the name of it, but I know what the name of it is. But anyways, we're going to be taking this one back off again and inserting the 6x8 inside of it. So real quick, let's open up one of these bad boys. Get my knife. Got some hardware right here, some screws, and I guess these would be considered like washers. Throw them down there real quick. And this is how the speaker looks when you first get it. But yeah, so that's us right there, man. Again, old one, here's the new one. Oh yeah, so I'm gonna catch y'all in just a hot minute. Y'all hold tight. Alright, y'all, so basically I didn't have to take off, oh my bad, so yes, I didn't have to take this off. All I had to do was take these little black screws out right here, and now I'm down to this screw right here, putting it back in. So I'm gonna tighten this one up right here. I already put the connectors in, didn't have to buy any more of those, so that was cool. Let's do us a quick test run real quick, see how we're sounding. Something light and simple. I don't know what's playing on this thing. Let me see, man. Switch songs.
Up to the Taylor gang, pulling up them paper planes. Cushion orange juice, nigga. Slide drop. Yeah. 501 young. Talking to but they don't want none. What up, Will? Yeah, bitch.
Alright, so yeah, we all good now. So again, I'm gonna catch you guys with the finished product, and then I'll run a whole video for you guys. Oh well, should I say a whole rundown. Be right back.
I know what's on my mind. Incarcerated. Sometimes I hate it. This is the sentence of my life.
Alright, y'all, we back ticking now. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Alright, y'all, that's another one for the day. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Cut on all your notifications. Man, we will be doing a giveaway on the channel. We're on the road to 100 subs. And I just want to say thank you, should I say, to everybody who has subbed and commented and liked the videos, man. I'm rocking with y'all 100. I want to give a shout out to two-time Moto. His channel always keep me inspired, and when we rapping on the phone, we always throwing ideas back and forth. So shout out to bro for the content that he be providing and information. And I also want to shout out Panzer platform, because he's always giving it good advice and great content on his channel. So if you guys are not following those two guys, make sure y'all go follow them. Again, that's 2-time Moto TV, and that's Panzer Platform. Those guys right there got good content. Y'all make sure y'all follow them. Everybody else got good content too, man, but those are the 2 main channels that I be following. So yes, you guys check them out as well. Again, man, I'm Brandon. A lot of people calling me B with the Merc. But yeah, man, it's a Mercury lifestyle, and we checking out.